Hello students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 7, Hot Deserts, Saudi Arabia. Most deserts of the world lie near the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and near the Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. Dry winds called trade winds blow in these regions, making the land hot and dry. The different hot deserts of the world in the northern hemisphere are Sahara Desert in North Africa, Colorado Desert in North America, Arabian Desert near the Red Sea, and the Thar Desert in India. Let us learn more about life in the desert region of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a country in the Middle East located in the Arabian Desert. The country makes up more than 3/4 of the Arabian Peninsula. It lies between latitudes 70° north and 32° north and longitudes 35° east and 55° east. Climate and vegetation. Saudi Arabia is the hottest region of the world. The summer records a high 52°C during the day. The days are very hot and the nights are cool and pleasant. There is scanty or no rainfall. Dust storms are common here. Dry and barren land slopes from the west to the east. The western coast close to the Red Sea is mountainous, while the central and eastern Saudi Arabia are covered by vast deserts and plateaus. Small streams of water called wadis form when it rains in Saudi Arabia, but these water bodies are temporary. At some places, groundwater comes up to the surface forming pools of water called oases. These areas are the only places which are somewhat fertile. Date palms grow here. Otherwise, very few plants, mostly short shrubs and cacti that can withstand the heat and scarcity of water, grow in this region. Occupation. To deal with the acute shortage of water in the Saudi Arabia, efforts are made to remove the salt from seawater. It is an expensive method. This water is used both for irrigation and domestic use. Crops like rice, wheat, dates, tomatoes are grown with the help of the desalinated water. Barley and vegetables are grown near the oasis. As most of the land of Saudi Arabia is infertile, agriculture is not a prime occupation in the country. The main occupation in Saudi Arabia is extraction of petroleum. Saudi Arabia has large mines of petroleum. It exports this petroleum to other countries and earns a lot of money. No wonder this oil is called liquid gold. People. The discovery and commercial use of petroleum has changed the life of the people of Saudi Arabia. They have become more westernized and have a modern way of living today. There are many people who live in the rich cities of the country and many live in the villages too. Villagers live a simple life. Camel, the sheep of the desert, is their mode of transport. Besides the villagers, there are nomads who rear sheep and goats. The Bedouins live in tents made of camel skin and travel in caravans in the deserts. Many Bedouins also travel in jeeps and cars nowadays. They speak Arabic. They travel across the deserts and camp near the oases. Being skilled craftsmen, they make rugs and carpets which they sell or trade for other things. The exporting of petroleum has changed the way of life in Saudi Arabia. The people have become rich with the opening of new industries like petroleum refineries, fertilizers and chemical industries, and iron and steel industries. Cities. Saudi Arabia has many cities. All new cities are modern and have the latest facilities. Broad highways, large shopping malls and modern houses. The capital city of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Mecca and Medina, the cities of holy pilgrimage for Muslims, are situated in Saudi Arabia. Thousands of people visit these cities every year for Hajj. You will be surprised to know that many Indians, especially from the states of South India, live and work in Saudi Arabia. Life in Saudi Arabia is prosperous and comfortable for the people who live in towns and cities. They have learned to make an optimum use of their natural resources for the benefit of their country. The traditional people who live a nomadic life are happy to living a simple life. Thank you.